Welcome back to Rob's Builds.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be building the 2006 X-Wing. Let's get started. Well, there you have it, guys. The finished product. The 2006 X-Wing. Now, the colors are really neat. You got a little bit of red, some dark gray and light gray, and white. I really like the color scheme. It's not bad. And if you look underneath, it's got a little bit of storage where you can stack your lightsabers if you want. And then you got this little lever on the back that you turn to put the wings in attack position. Just like that. And that's pretty much all there is to this for playability and swooshing, which people like to do. Anyways, all in all, it was a fun build, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. And don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you later.